How to clear your search history on eBay app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear your search history on eBay app. So all what you have to do is go to eBay. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top corner and click on those three lines, and then go down and search for the settings option. After you find it, click on it and it will take you to this page. Now go down until you find clear search history. Click on it and click OK. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.